Channel. This is Adish from Techie Snack. In this video, I am going to show how to install nikto. What is nikto? Nikto allows hackers and programmers to examine a web server to find a potential problem or a security vulnerability. Without no more further, let's jump into the video. Now first, open your terminal. I'll make it big so you guys can see. Okay, sorry I didn't inform that you need some pre-requirements. The pre-requirements are you need Homebrew pre-installed in your MacBook Pro M1 chip. If you don't know what is Homebrew, please check my previous video. Okay, now let's type the command brew install nikto. Press enter. Wait for some time. As you can see, nikto is successfully installed in your MacBook Pro M1 chip. Bye guys! In the next video, I will show how to use nikto. Subscribe, share, comment, and if you like this video, please like it. Bye.